Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can stay tuned for that, guys. That may give you clarity, may answer some questions you have in your mind. So let's start with these cards here. Cancers, for your general energies. So we have Three of Wands, Page of Wands, and Knight of Cups in reverse. So, Cancers, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are someone happy with the way things are going for you. You have achieved certain goals and you're waiting for the next opportunity, thinking of the next offer, or maybe you're working towards your dreams and goals and you're waiting for that. And you are someone really, you have everything in your hands, but still you feel something is missing, something is not there with you, and you feel really worried, or you feel that whatever you did, whatever you are, maybe you are not seeing that reciprocated. Maybe you are really devoted in this relationship, devoted to this person, really honest with them, but that devotion or that trustworthiness is not being reciprocated, and you feel that they are not telling you something and they are hiding something, and maybe they are quite artificial, trying to hide whatever they are feeling, and they are trying to be really nice with you and you don't know the reason for it, and you feel really sad. Something is missing in this relationship and something is not right in this connection for you. And maybe if you are thinking whether this person is reliable, trustworthy or not, with these cards I can say that they are someone really good. They are loyal to you, but they are hiding something for some reason. They don't want to reveal something of their past or maybe about their life. They have their own reasons for not telling you what it is, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. Cancers, it's Queen of Swords. So maybe today you will move towards that, understanding, or you want to know the truth. Until and unless you find out what it is, you cannot continue. That is what is happening today in this relationship. Maybe it may be their energy towards you or your energy towards them, and you want only truth. Today you don't want any of their reasons or any of their excuses. You are not ready for it, ready to listen to it. So you just want the blank truth, whether they love you or not, or what is the reason for the way things are going, because you truly love this person and you are really honest with them. And for some of you guys, this what to say, since you are asking them to reveal what is there in their heart of hearts, deep down, maybe they may give you an answer and it may be really difficult for you to handle. And maybe if this relationship may, you may take a break from this connection, break from this person. For some of you, that is what I see, guys. After you know the truth, you cannot continue the same way. That is what I see, Cancer. So for some of you, it is moving towards a breakup. So in your career situation, for your career, we picked one card. It's Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So in your work situation, you may see some delays or some suspensions. Something may not work out as expected, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Cancers, thank you for watching, Cancer. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here for y'all today. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. I will keep the second card here. We will see what is the card. A leg up. So with this card, in your circumstances, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, it just means that you cannot go on like this anymore. And there are opportunities coming in your life, and if you need to embrace those opportunities, or if you need to do something better, you need help, you need that teamwork and interdependence. That is what this card means. So relationships do very well if we work together as a team. When you have people, when you have your person supporting you, and when you support them, it is going to be a very positive, meaningful connection, and you will be met with kindness and love. So maybe you are feeling really vulnerable. You want this person's ideas or suggestions on certain things. You need to ask for it, guys, because they will not know what is there deep down in your heart of hearts. So you need to voice out your request. Maybe you want help, or you want a guidance in something, or you want this person's decision on something, whatever it may be. You need to ask and you will get that help. And trust your circumstances, and you can go forward with this help. You can request their help. There is nothing wrong, guys, with interdependence and teamwork in a relationship. That is going to help you a lot, and this is that time, maybe that time for you to give up all your inhibition, maybe whatever is holding you back from asking. You need to give all that up and ask for help. That is this card's energy here, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, a fiery climax approaches, full moon in Aries. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today in your circumstances you were concentrating too much on yourself, and maybe there is some argument or some kind of a confusion because you want something and this person wants something else, and you don't know what will happen next. So there is some kind of what to say, a lot of things are happening today, and you may feel really sensitive, emotional, and you need to understand whether think within yourself whether you were rushing towards some decisions or some choices, or whether you have been too harsh, too stubborn holding on to something in this relationship, and maybe you are the reason for the way things are going the way they are today. So you need to come out of it maybe, and you need to do it what to say, with understanding. So whatever decisions or whatever, uh, maybe you're speaking something, you must not be influenced by how you feel emotionally, but to try to uh, go about any circumstances in a very balanced way. That is going to help you guys. And you, if you are interested in meditation, you can take that up. That is going to help you a lot today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, with these two cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.